The Pfizer manufacturing plant was damaged by the tornado in Nash County. Just look at that. You can see part of the roof there caved in, all of that debris surrounding the building. Officials with Pfizer tell us there are no reports of serious injuries. And man, they certainly are lucky when you look at the damage that was caused by that tornado.
I was nervous, I was crying, I was thankful to God that the children that we're caring for at St. Stephen's Daycare were okay.
Just heartbreaking. Teachers, staff, and students, you can't imagine how they must have felt during that tornado.
Especially with the little babies that were riding out that storm that way. CBS 17 meteorologist Lance Blocker has been there all day for us and is live in Rocky Mount. Lance, this was a very scary situation for those folks at the daycare, really everyone around that area.
Yeah, no doubt about it. But, Rod, here's the deal, and this is what Haley mentioned earlier, too, is the thing we've heard echoed throughout all of this with the destruction that we've seen is everybody's so grateful and thankful that everybody's okay. The houses can be repaired. The buildings can be repaired. That's for sure as well. Even as much as what we've seen here, I'm right now standing in the back of St. Stephen's Loving Daycare. That's where we talked to that lady earlier, the director earlier, and she detailed her experience here. And you can see the destruction the tornado left behind, certainly understanding why it is that they've rated this a preliminary report of an EF2 with winds of 135 miles per hour. But you've got the damage still here left behind with a lot of trees down, a lot of damage here. But once again, what we talked about earlier is that nobody was hurt, and that's what we're thankful for. And we also saw, as we were here earlier today, neighbors coming by and beginning repairs. They actually started to work on the property we're here that was heavily damaged, and you can't live in it. There's 3 trees to the center of the house. They actually neighbors came out and began repairs within hours, responding to help these folks be safe and get their homes in working order so they can begin to think about what it means to move on with their lives and go ahead and start the repair phase, which certainly will take quite some time. But we're going to be here for the rest of the evening live in Nash County. This is meteorologist Lance Blocker for CBS 17 News. We'll send it back to you in studio.
All right, Lance, we are so glad that everyone in that area is safe. Thank you so much.
The blessing is there are no injuries. We do.